I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp ravioli. First, let's prepare the pasta dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 large eggs, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Knead the mixture for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, giving your ravioli a perfect texture. Cover the dough and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for easy rolling. Next, let's create our delicious shrimp filling. Finely chop 1 pound of raw shrimp and quickly sauté it with minced garlic and your favorite herbs until just cooked through. Then, combine the cooled shrimp with 1/2 cup of creamy ricotta cheese and a hint of fresh lemon zest. Season generously with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of fresh parsley for a vibrant flavor. This filling will be the star of your ravioli. Now for the fun part, assembling the ravioli. Roll your rested pasta dough very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick, using a pasta machine. Lay one sheet flat and place small 1 teaspoon dollops of your shrimp filling about 1½ inches apart. Carefully cover with a second pasta sheet, pressing firmly around the filling to remove air and seal. Cut into individual squares using a ravioli cutter or knife. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your homemade shrimp ravioli. Gently drop the fresh ravioli into a pot of generously salted boiling water. They will cook quickly, usually in 3 to 4 minutes, floating to the surface when done. Carefully remove them and toss with a simple butter sauce, a fresh marinara, or your preferred topping. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your exquisite meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.